Okay. Ma'am, nice to meet you. What's your
That's
name and where do you come from?
my name is Naima and I come from Ethiopia.
Utopia. Okay. And by profession,
Mm,
like what do you do? What is your occupation?
occupation is computer science.
Computer science. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
And
My,
you, can you tell
my
me?
my name is JD. I'm from India. Okay. Okay. So that's all about me. Okay. So,
What's occupation? Are you worker or student?
yeah. Actually, I'm not a student. I'm working as an English speaking partner. Okay. I teach English to students.
Do you teaching? Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
That's good. That's
Yeah.
good. Work. Okay. How about what the reason that you have joined in this platform, even if you are a teacher of English language?
Yes, sometimes, I get bored. Sometimes I want to
Mm.
talk to strangers, random people. I mean, like you. Okay. So I'm going to learn something from you. You guys are unique from different countries, and talking to stranger always going to improve your knowledge. Okay. You're always going to accumulate some knowledge. So that I believe. Yeah.
Okay. Can you let me ask you some question?
Sure, sure, man. You go ahead. Feel
Okay.
free to ask me any
Why?
question. Feel.
Okay. There. Okay. What the reason? The most people that I have meted, or uh, I can say the most people that are using in this platform are
Uh,
Indian and Indonesian.
most of the
What?
people, yeah, majority of
Yeah.
people I have found on this application, okay, and those people come from Muslim background. I mean, like uh, Pakistan, Bangladesh, these kind of countries. Like they're very good, some of them good, some of them bad, and I'm not accepting only good people here. Okay, like you are very.
Yeah.
I also presume that you are also Muslim, right?
Yeah. Muslim. Alhamdulillah. Muslim. So, and Indian curriculum or Indian education, what's their language? Is English or another?
uh, Hindi language, right? Like, most of the students study in is our mother tongue is Hindi, or like in India when you talk about there are multiple languages, right? Like a Marathi, Hindi,
Okay.
Gujarati. So different there curriculums depends on that around that mother tongue.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, that's work is if even if the education language is motherhood language, how what is the problem? Because for example, for my side or for my country, not the first for my for my country for my country language is not education language.
Mm-hmm.
Education language is English, and other for my native language is another. But that's good for your country because even if you're taken for education motherhood, what the reason that you can need for another language?
Okay, I get your point. Okay, ma'am, I have a couple
Mm.
of questions for you. Okay. What do you think about, you know,
Yeah,
what do you think about um okay, I just forgot again. I had a very good
yeah,
question for
no,
you. Just give me a
yeah,
second,
no,
okay? Just give me a second.
come,
Girl, yeah. As a girl, do you
yeah.
think you are
Uh,
getting enough
as
freedom
we
in your country?
Oh yeah, yeah. I've understood. For my even when we are, I am Muslim and
Hmm.
I have freedom for my religion, and
Okay.
also Ethiopia they have it has an different society, and they have
Hmm.
more cultures, and
Hmm.
some of culture, the girls they don't have freedom, but
Okay.
another culture for me like me, we have freedom that the girl has a right, the girl has a, something that can make
Hmm.
the what's
Hmm.
good for her, and like that.
What are the most difficult challenges, okay, obstacles do you face as a woman in your country?
What's physical?
No, no. What are the challenges do you face as a woman in your country? What are the some challenges do you face?
Okay. Before, if we talk about before or if we compare before condition and now condition, it's the difference because the
Okay, different.
before the people they don't know. the something about the girls. The girl can be hard worker, the girl can do something, but now it is good. I can say it's good for my country, for
Okay.
girls.
Okay. So, ma'am, it has been wonderful and lovely conversation with you. Okay, you are very such a wonderful person. Okay, our time is about
Also,
to complete. Yeah. Okay.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, then bye
Bye.
bye.
I'm
Bye bye.
okay.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Yes, can you hear me?
What?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can't hear you. Don't do that.
Okay,
Why are you picking your nose?
okay. How's your day?
What?
How's your day?
Yeah. How is my day unfolding? My day is good, pretty well. No complaints so far. It's productive, I believe. Fruitful. Why are you picking your nose? How old are you?
It's normal. It's normal only.
Why are you
Like
why are you picking your nose? I mean, how old are you?
me,
Yeah.
I'm 20.
Oh my God, 20. You're 20 years old and still you do not know manner. Okay, you're picking your nose like this in front of the cameras.
Okay. Still, I'm younger, right?
Come again? Could you repeat?
Still, I'm younger. Okay.
Yeah, I thought like probably you're 13 years old.
Okay. And you, how are you? How old are you?
How old am I? Okay, I'm 27 years old.
Hmm?
27.
27.
Yeah, absolutely. 27 years old.
Still, you are middle.
You're younger than me.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let me
Yeah,
hear.
younger than me.
Okay. From I think you're from India,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes. You're very smart. You recognize my flag. Very smart.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know you're from. Okay. Do you know Somalia?
Jamali, I know. Is it situated in Africa?
Yeah, yeah. Especially East Africa.
Africa. Okay. So what do you do?
Me,
Yes, you. What do you do?
uh, I'm student.
You're a student. Okay. Good.
Yeah.
You look like a football player.
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah. But um, football player. But now
Come on. Who's your favorite player?
only
Who's your favorite player?
me, Ronaldo.
Ronaldo. Okay. Why do you like this guy?
Yeah. And you?
Why do you like? I don't like football. Why do you like Ronaldo? What
Why?
are
Because he is the um, best player in the world, and is the hard worker player. That's why I support Ronaldo.
diligent player? You mean that hard worker?
Hmm?
Okay, good to know. Okay. Hmm.
I think you don't like
I
football, right?
I'm not fond
Uh,
of watching matches, or I don't into football, honestly.
okay, you are just
I like reading books only.
hmm?
I like reading books. I'm a bookworm.
Okay. Me like we are same.
Okay.
I like
Oh,
it.
okay. Is it your curriculum book?
Hmm?
Is it your curriculum book? Like, is it a school book, college book?
Yeah, 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 yeah. I learn in university.
Okay, these are not
I
school and
study.
college book. These aren't school book. Okay, these are
Still,
no no.
wait.
These books are self
Okay.
improvement book, self help book, self help book, self
Mas
improvement book.
mastery.
Master,
Mastery.
master.
Which book? Which book talk?
Self-improvement book, like the author is Robert Greene.
Hmm?
The author is Robert Greene. Self-improvement book.
Okay. What do you do? You're a student?
Yeah, that is very good question. I'm a student. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Which university, school, which student?
I'm science student.
Hmm?
I'm science student. BSc. I'm pursuing my BSc.
Ah, okay. That's good.
Good.
Okay. How's the situation in India?
Good. Everything is good. Everything is good. And how long have you been learning English language? How long have you been learning English language?
Me?
Yes. How long?
How long? Only 2 years.
2 days.
Yes.
Two
Two
days only.
years. Two
Two
years.
years. Okay. Years.
Oh, no, no, no. 2 years.
2 years. Oh my God. That's
Okay. Uh,
fine.
uh, how's the English?
Yeah, your English is very good. Okay.
Really?
Really. Okay. Then our time is up. Bye bye.
Okay. Goodbye, bro.